Bismillahirrahmanirrahim viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, how are you to all? I hope you are too good. First of all, I am thanking to like my all the interesting and previous videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, you are watching my interesting and beautiful videos related to crochet fashion. So in this video you're watching my interesting and beautiful crochet ladies scarves ideas, ladies winter scarves patterns. I hope you like my videos. So you are watching my interesting and previous videos, beautiful handmade knitting design in my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy all the videos. So you are watching my beautiful and stylish handmade knitting pattern. So these are different type of handmade knitting design of crochets beautifully. In this video you are watching my beautiful handmade crochet ladies scarves winter scarf designs. I hope you enjoy all the videos. So friends, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos with your friends, with your relatives and with your neighbors. So enjoy all the different style of handmade knitting patterns. You can make your handmade pattern design bestly. So I hope you like all the videos. So friends, in this video you are watching my different handmade knitting designs, handmade pattern ideas of crochet. So I hope you enjoy all the videos. So friends, let's see my next video, new design and handmade patterns of knitting on my YouTube channel. So friends, take care. Last see my new design of handmade pattern of crochet scarf for ladies. You can watch my different crochet pattern design on my YouTube channel. So take care. Allah Hafiz.